Confetti, you're gonna have to share. Does Bella want some? Bella? Goodness. Alright, if you're gonna be in the mood, you're not gonna get any. Confetti, you're being unusually polite.
Which one's Confetti? This one?
The fat one. No. Bella. Oh, nope. Okay, Confetti, that's enough. I'm gonna give some to the other kitties. Excuse me. Hey, Bullseye, you want to try? Want to try one? It's okay. Oh. What about Upton? You're going home tomorrow, Upton. Whoops. Where's my boy? Do you see a bug? There we go, my boy. Whoop. Oh, it's on my finger. You don't want any? Okay, this is hard to sit. Confetti, come on. It's on my finger. Well, you like it, you just don't want it. Look, it's on my finger. Okay, you don't want it on my finger. Okay, that's fine. What do you want? You want it or not? I don't know. Bullseye. Would you like to try some, Bullseye? Sir, thank you for being gentle, but you're not gonna eat my finger, please. Let me see. Let him have some. Let me see. Here. No, Confetti, come on. Let him have some. Let him have that. Bab. Look. Let me see. It's on the floor. On the ground. Garbage gut. What was that? Does Odessa want some? Does Odessa want some? Confetti, please. Let Odessa have some. Good girl. Well, let me see if he likes it. Hey, Upton.
You know the kitten's that ginger one?
In the kitten room?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Is that a boy or a girl?
I think they're all boys.
I got someone that's looking for one.
Yeah, Bullseye, you don't hate me now, huh? Confetti! Rude.
And that one's new, isn't it?
Yeah, he just came in today.
Okay.
So he's probably going to be a little shy. Good boy, yes. Goodness. Tilly, would you like a little bit? I know you do want some confetti, but you can't have everything. Okay. Tia. Want to try it again? I can't tell if that was a retch or a yawn. I think it was a yawn. No. Okay, Tia, you can have it. Violet, you want the rest?